I hope you just write all your answers of exercise 2. Now let's move to exercise number 3.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Talks Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of the present continuous tense. This tense is commonly used to talk about actions happening right now. In this video, we will also do some interactive exercises to enhance your understanding and proficiency in using the present continuous tense. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's make this learning experience both engaging and educational. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more language learning content. So let's jump right in.
The basic rule for the present continuous tense involves using the present participle, the ing form, of the main verb in combination with the appropriate subject. Here's the general structure. Affirmative form. I am studying. She is working. They are playing. Negative form. I am not studying. She is not working. They are not playing. Interrogative form. Am I studying? Is she working? Are they playing? Remember, the choice of am, is, or are depends on the subject of the sentence.
Use am with the first person singular, I. Uses with the third person singular, he, she, it, and singular nouns. Use are with the second person singular, you, first person plural, we, and third person plural, they. These structures help convey actions or situations that are happening at or around the time of speaking.
Now here are some examples of how we can use present continuous tense. So our first sentence is, I am reading a book. Now I am going to convert the same sentence as a negative sentence first, and then to affirmative one. Here the negative sentence would be, I am not reading a book. And the affirmative one would be, am I reading a book? Next sentence is, they are playing football. Now here negative sentence would be something like, they are not playing football. An interrogative sentence would be, are they playing football? Very simple, Han? Now let's try a new one. She is writing an email. Now here the negative sentence would be, she is not writing an email. And the interrogative one would be, is she writing an email? Our next sentence is, we are watching a movie. Now here the negative sentence would be, we are not watching a movie. And the interrogative sentence would be, are we watching a movie? Let's try a new one. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Our negative sentence would be, the cat is not sleeping on the sofa. An interrogative sentence would be, is the cat sleeping on the sofa? Let's try this one. The children are playing in the garden. And negative sentence is, the children are not playing in the garden. An interrogative one is, are the children playing in the garden?
Now we will do some interactive exercises that help you broaden your understanding related to the present continuous tense. Get ready to actively engage with the material and strengthen your grasp on present continuous tense. So let's dive in. I want you to actively engage in the exercises and write your answers on a paper. After completing the exercises, we'll match your answers with the correct ones to see how well you've mastered the present continuous tense. Let's make this learning experience interactive and rewarding. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the present continuous tense. So this is exercise number 1. Please grab a pen and paper and write down your answers. Get ready to test your knowledge and have some fun with the present continuous tense. And your time starts now.
I hope you have written all the answers. Now let's move to exercise number 2. And here is exercise number 2.
Here, you will have to construct sentences using the prompts already provided. But remember, only use the present continuous tense. Now write down your answers.
I hope you just write all your answers of exercise 2. Now let's move to exercise number 3.
Exercise 3, true or false. Now here you will have to decide whether the statements are true or false based on the present continuous tense. Now let's start writing your answer.
I am just hoping that you have written all your answers. Now let's move to our fourth and last exercise for today, and here is our exercise number 4.
Exercise 4, match the sentence parts. Now here, you will have to match the sentence parts to form complete sentences in the present continuous tense. So let's start to write your answers.
I just hope that you've written down all your answers. Now it's time to recheck your responses, and here are the correct answers. Now compare all your answers and see how
If you got these right, give yourself a pat on the back. If not, no worries. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned for more language learning sessions. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.